Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, we are learning something significant for the web developers. How to connect your GitHub account to Visual Studio Code and how to edit and commit your changes directly from the VS Code interface. So, let's get started. Now we are connecting VS Code to GitHub account. Go to source control icon here. After that, click download Git for Windows. You can open this link to your browser to download the Git software. You can download any Git software according to your Windows setup. I have already downloaded the Git setup. Here I am going to open the Git setup to install it into my computer. This is very simple process. Just click next to install the software in your computer. Here is a very important step: choosing the default editor used by Git. Here you need to select the Visual Studio Code editor as a default editor to use for GitHub. Select use Visual Studio Code as a Git's default editor. After that, you need to restart your Visual Studio Code. After restart, you can see that here is new option appeared, clone repository. Click clone repository and clone from GitHub. Allow the Visual Studio Code to sign into your GitHub account directly from Visual Studio Code. Now click continue to connect your account to your Visual Studio Code. Then open Visual Studio Code. The process is successful. Now here is the repositories. I am going to open the first repository I have just created. Here is the test repository. Click to open the repository in Visual Studio Code. Here you need to save the repository in your local computer. Select as the repository destination to save in your local computer. Now add to workspace. Here you can see that all the repository files have been added in my Visual Studio Code. You can edit your HTML code here. I am going for some basic editing. I am going to change the heading 1. Contact us now. Click Ctrl S to save the file. Here M shows the files have been modified. Now go to source control icon and click the commit. Yes, your changes are committing. Here you need to type any message, yes commit, and select accept the commit message. Now save your commit message. Now press the sync changes. Press OK. Your changes are syncing remotely to GitHub account. Now you can see that I have added the file successfully and save the changes to GitHub.